Good morning, kindergartners. We talked about this yesterday on our Zoom call, remember? It's gonna be crazy hair day and show and tell when we gather together a little later. So I got myself ready this morning. What do you think? I've got all kinds of good stuff going today. But it's Thursday, it's day 4. I don't know about you, but it's raining at my house this morning. So on my little calendar math, my weather graph, I'm gonna mark raining and fill in another slice of that pie chart. That's okay though. It's kind of nice for the rain. I like being able to put my sweatshirt on and snuggle in for the day. So I hope you get some comfy clothes today too. Here at our calendar, today is Thursday. It's April 23rd, 2024-23-20. Our April song, O-A-P-R-I-L, it's April, O-A-P-R-I-L, it's April, my friends. When green leaves are showing and flowers are growing, O-A-P-R-I-L, it's April, my friends. It is April. The rain's gonna bring some beautiful flowers. I just know it. So if we keep going on our pattern, we talked yesterday that if there's one rainy day on this one, then our pattern is that a second rain would come too. So a second blue day as well. So it's kind of funny that our calendar pattern actually matches our weather today. It's fun when that happens, isn't it? So there you go. We've got almost one more full week of April, and then we're going to be in a May. That's hard to imagine. If we count how many days smarter we are, let's see if I can do it with all the straws today. It's 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 141, 142 days smarter. Just one group of 100 because it's such a big group. 4 groups of 10, and now there's 2 ones. I've got my password over there too, down. It has that same ow, 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 ow sound in it as how and now and cow. But this one has a D at the front and an N at the back for D-O-W-N, down. I also added up my digraphs. Make sure you're practicing those at home too. I don't have specific digraph work that I would recommend for today because we're going to do show and tell instead on Zoom. But if you come across words, keep adding them to your chart. Then our Bible verse for this week is 1 Peter 2:7. Unto you, therefore, which believe, he is precious. Okay, keep practicing. Then our stuff for the day. You're on your last 2 pages of handwriting. Great job. This is the curvy Y. You can do it curvy or you can do it straight. And here's our Z. And then you'll practice every letter in the alphabet. Way to go. Keeping those fingers strong. Calendar math. I haven't heard of anybody else that lost teeth because we were losing a lot of teeth there for a while. I want you to keep reading today. Be writing about a story if you haven't done that yet this week. That's something that I want you to be thinking and writing. Sometimes too, if you're practicing writing and your fingers are getting tired, it's okay to talk about your story with a mom or a dad, whoever's reading with you too. I just want you to be thinking about and training your brain to think about the characters and the setting and what's happening in our beginning and our middle and our end of the story. So kind of like the questions on Raz Kids, but if you're doing them out loud with mom or dad, that's great too. And then I ask you to write just to keep your fingers strong. For math, it was so fun to do math with you yesterday. It almost felt like we were together in our classroom with our 3D shapes. And we were talking about the real names, the big names for those. So this page today for math, let me take my marker off so your moms and dads can see it better. It's 10-6. We're just going through our book. And it says, identify 2-dimensional or flat shapes. Use red to color the flat shapes. And then find 3-dimensional or solid shapes. Use blue to color the solid shapes. So you're gonna look at the pictures and figure out, that one kind of looks like it's coming off the page. So it's not flat, that would be a 3D shape. And this one, do you remember what it's called from yesterday? It's a cube, good job. So cube, so see if you can do the extra brain stretcher and name each shape and color them flat or 3D. I know you can do it because you were working really hard yesterday. Okay, so that's 10-6, just front and back, if you would like. So that one's in your skinny book. Then keep doing your life skills learning. I wrote a note on here for this week, letter of the week, go up or go under. If you are still exploring your world a little bit with up and under, that would be a great thing to do today as well. And like Thursdays, I decided we're gonna do some show and tell today. So if you'd like to meet us in our little Zoom room, I would love to see you there. We're gonna do show and tell. So make sure that you have your show and tell with you though when we get started, so you don't have to run away and find it. Okay, so crazy hair, show and tell. Happy Thursday, and I'll see you later.